How the hell do you build a lead funnel? First off, you have to know what a lead funnel is. It's where you're trying to get people into your ecosystem, into your business, by offering them something, right? It could be a free book, a mini course, a discount, a free consultation, something like that. And my secret to building out an amazing lead funnel is doing it, one, quickly, and two, as simple as humanly possible. That's what we're going to go over today. I'm also going to be giving away the template that you see me build out here. All you need to do is go to k9businessbuilders.com/lead funnel. The link will be in the description. Let's jump into it. All right, so jumping into it, our name is going to be lead funnel. Cool. Very, very creative here. And we're going to try to do this within 10 minutes. It might be 15 minutes. The faster you can do this, the better you get at this. The faster you can do it, rather, right? So the better you get it, the implementation, the faster it's going to be. We'll do sales funnel, and let's call this lead funnels. I'm actually going to be creating out the page that you're going to go to in order to get access to what I'm talking about right now. Okay, so we're going to create this from blank. We're not going to cheat, although as you do this, of course, you should be using templates, and you should be using systems that you've already put into place here. Let's do another one, actually. So we're going to have up here, we're going to put an image, and this is going to be our logo. Over here, we're going to put a button that says, get your thingamajigger, whatever it is. Get your, oh wait, that's just the button. All the way down here is where we got it. Get your template. And in our case, it's going to be a funnel, because it's going to be this funnel. And what I like to do is come down here, we'll click on that, we'll get rid of the background, set it's just text, and we're going to get rid of the boxed shadow. Hope you guys can see this. Is there? There it is. No shadow, and of course there's a border, full border, no border. Okay, cool. So now we have that squared away. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to copy this whole green section, and now I'm going to make the background of this one black. There is your footer. Now you have a header and a footer of your funnel. I mean, could it be any easier? We're also going to change this to 75. We'll change the footer to 100. So now you have those two. We're going to make our main section here. And we're just going to move it up to the middle. You have a header and a footer now. You would, of course, put in your logo here, and you would have this access the open up pop-up, right? So you see this button here? See how it says open pop-up? That's what we want down here at the bottom. Okay, so now that we have that, we're going to click add row. We're going to do 2 rows. It's the easiest way to do it. We're going to put an image right here. Boom. We're then going to put a headline. Type in headline. Boom. We're going to put a subheadline. Boom. Then we're going to put a short little paragraph. There we go. Now here's the best part. All you need left, the button. Guys, this is butter. Okay. Now, if you take the time to actually know what you're going to be writing, it's even faster. If you don't take the time, if you don't know what you're writing, that's okay. It's going to become better over time, always. This is one of the benefits of a lead funnel over a website. A lead funnel, you can make better and better and better and better. Now that I've done so many lead funnels, I kind of know what needs to be there, and you have access to it by watching this video. My lead funnels usually convert about like 30% or higher. I've had some that can, right off the bat, it converted to like 75%. I was absolutely blown away. That never happens. That's not supposed to happen, okay? And I'm using just very simple funnels here. So 30%, amazing. You might start off and it be 5%, right? It's converting really poorly. This means 100 people land on the funnel from social media, paid ads, just talking to people. 100 people show up, 5 people say, yeah, I'll give you my email, cool. If you can get that to 30, if you can get it to 50, if you can get it to 75, that's amazing, but that only happens over time. Let's jump back into it. We're running out of time here. So we got our button. You could use one of these presets here. Let's go purple. I never go purple. Let's do purple. And we're going to make sure that that button opens up pop-up, and it's going to say, get your free funnel template. Cool. Now, here's what I like to do. I'm actually going to move this one up. And the big headline is what I like to put the story. All right, so get my lead funnel template that converts at 75%. Right? Because that's happened. That's a real testimonial. That's a real story. That converted at 75% is this funnel. It's this basic, right? And up here might just be the title of the funnel. So it'd be a lead funnel template. Right? Super easy. Actually, we're going to make it even better. High converting. If I could spell today, that would be great. Converting lead funnel. There we go. Sometimes Google has not been helping me with spelling lately. And then down here is our call to action, right? So if you know anything about the hook story offer framework, hook, high converting lead funnel template, story, get my lead funnel template that converts at 75%. And then our offer is our call to action. Email and phone number. Name to get access to the lead funnel template that took me about 4 years. 4 years to figure out. Click the button below. Whoop. Okay, boom. So then they click on that and it's going to open up a pop-up. We're going to change this pop-up to go with our purple here. We're going to change the border. We're going to make that 2 and we're going to make it purple-ish. We're going to make the overlay purple-ish. Whoa, that's crazy. Let's not go crazy with it. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, I like it. I never go purple. I never go purple. Boom, there we go. Then we're just going to literally borrow the same headline and the same call to action. It's that easy. And then we just need a form. Now you need to create the form. It could be any form. I'll just use this one for this demonstration here. Cool. And now that's all squared away. We could put in a picture here. Let's see if we have a picture on this account. It might. Yeah, let's do that. Woo, look at that ebook and our height. Yeah, there we go. Okay, super simple. Let's see if we got a logo. Just put podcast logo up there. You would put your logo up there, clearly, right? We get that. Okay, you shouldn't be putting whatever. So super simple. There we go. Let's look at it on mobile. Mobile, we would just change a couple of things. So we're going to get rid of that. Make sure that's not in there. We're probably going to get rid of this button too, because we just don't need it. There we go. And we will probably change the sizing here. Or we could even change the entire wording just to make it fit better on mobile. And then that's where that would be. And in fact, I'm going to duplicate that. I'm going to make it only available on mobile. Make that one only available there. And then I'm going to bring this up. Boom. So that would be the only thing I would fix. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Cool. Super easy. Super easy. Now, here is the beauty of this. I'm going to take this. I'm going to go back into my account. And remember what I said? I'm going to copy and paste in another video, which I'll link somewhere above. While this is loading, I talked about this type of framework where I can actually build these things out and use them every single day. If you do that, you're having breakfast, you build out a funnel real quick, then you can do a live video in the middle of the day of you talking about the promotion, and then you send people to the funnel, and then you send them whatever it is you were working on. So if you do a live event building out a template for somebody, then you say, hey, go to this and opt in. I'll send it to you once I'm done with it. Boom. Now you're getting people in, you're promoting at the same time, you're doing social media content, you're lead generating, all at the same time. If you want to watch a video where I explain that in more depth, then click up there. So in the other video, I talk about how you can just clone it, and that's what we're going to do. So we're going to clone this, and now we're just going to make the thank you page. Super easy, guys. Anybody can do this. Anybody can do this in any amount of time. It is short, simple, sweet, to the point. All you're going to do now is get rid of that probably and say thank you. Your template is waiting in your inbox. Boom. Check your inbox for the template that I just sent you. If you do not get it, oh my goodness. If you did not get it, then please email me at, and then you put your email. So we can change this real quick to email address. You'd put your email address in there. We're going to get rid of the background color. We're going to change the text color to blue. We're going to get rid of the border. And then you put your email address in there. Okay. There it is. Super simple. Like, bafflingly simple. Now, let me pull up the first page and the second page and show you exactly how beautiful they look together. You can do this every single day. The more you do it, the better you get. And third of all, the more you do it, you have all these templates, these backup things. So if you're making different stuff all of the time, now you at least have a whole bunch of different versions of it, and you can just propagate it whenever you need. You can pull it up and say, oh, cool, I'm doing another ebook. Let me slap that together. Boom, there you go. Hey, I'm doing another thing. You know, a webinar. Cool, let me slap that together really quick. The more you build, the better. The only thing we didn't change is the headline and the subheadline because I didn't want to make this video too long. But we did it in under 15 minutes, and I was explaining and I was talking and I wasn't as fast as I possibly could be. Now, these are bare bones. If you wanted to make this better, all you'd really have to do is update the background, change the colors a little bit, you know, fix the formatting, play with it. But this is all you need. This is stripped down bare bones. This is what you need. This is what I get to convert at such a high level. Let me show you here. Here we go. High converting lead funnel template. Get your lead funnel template that converts it for 75%. Click the button below and enter your email and name to get access to the lead funnel template that took me 4 years to figure out. Click the button below. I'm telling them exactly what I want them to do because I don't want them to be confused. I don't want them to start clicking on the ebook image. It's not going to work. Okay, now when they click on here, boom, they put their name in, they put their email, they can submit the form. We didn't change this. That's okay for this demonstration, but you would, of course, change that. You would put the same headline and the same call to action. That's it. And then it would take them to step 2. Thank you. Your template is waiting in your inbox. Check your inbox for the template that I just sent you. A little bit of reiterating because I'm telling them everything I need to tell them. Most people, when they land on this page, if there's no context, you guys have context because you're watching me build this out. You know what I'm doing. But for people who never have seen this before, they've never done a lead funnel, they've never gone through this type of process, you need to tell them exactly what to do. You can't do this with a website. Right, with a website, there's so many different buttons, there's different menus. There's no menus on here. Even up at the top where it says get your funnel template, that does the same thing as the button below. If up at the top it said call for a consultation, people would be so confused. They would have no idea what to do. And when you have confusion, you have indecision. People don't make decisions when they're confused. I hope this video was helpful. If you want to get that template, then go to caninebusinessbuilders.com/lead funnel, caninebusinessbuilders.com/lead funnel. It's going to look pretty much like that, but, you know, beautified a little bit. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.